पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे गृहे च पुनरपि.
Samskrita Bharati is a non-profit organization committed to the vision of revival of Sanskritam as a mass communicating language or Janabhasha. Started in the year 1981, the organization is working relentlessly to bring the language not only into the mainstream of curriculum but also into the mainstream of the common man. Samskrita Sambhashana Shibiram is a 1.5 to 2 hour program for 10 days persuading the participants to converse in simple Sanskritam. More than 90 lakh people all over the globe have started to converse in Sanskritam by entering into these free Sambhashana Shibirams. Time and again, Samskrita Bharati conducts a Shibira Abhiyan spoken Sanskrit campaign to propagate Sanskritam among the most rural and backward sections of the society. Over 1,24,000 Samskrita Shibirams have been conducted so far.
संभाषणं कुरु जीवनस्य परिवर्तनं कुरु यत्र यत्र गच्छसि पश्य तत्र संस्कृतं संस्कृतेः संरक्षणं कुरु.
School children conversing in Sanskritam is one of the aspirations of Samskrita Bharati. This project, called the Bala Bharati or Sarala Sanskritam, aims to popularize Sanskritam, breaking the old learning by rote techniques by introducing innovative interactive methods of teaching. Hence, teaching aids have been prepared for the same at 6 levels, and many schools are now adopting this innovative and interactive methodology of Samskrita Bharati. One can study the language at ease from one's own pace and place. Tens of thousands of people enroll every 6 months in this correspondence courses. The learner has an option of 9 languages to choose as the medium of instruction. Upon successfully completing all the 4 levels, student is eligible to get admitted for the MA Sanskrit in Karnataka Open University. Samskrita Bharati publishes numerous contemporary books right from children literature to best-selling novels across the world. Samskrita Bharati had championed World Sanskrit Book Fair and Sahityotsava to facilitate readers, writers and publishers to meet. These events helped in increasing the number of books and variety. These initiatives have brought out lots of young writers in Sanskritam, and half of the authors are women. Train the Trainers is a simple concept which works wonders with spoken Sanskrit movement. Every individual who learns Sanskritam is transformed into a trainer through their comprehensive residential training program. This program is conducted every year across the world where Samskrita Bharati has a chapter and is widely appreciated. Every individual not only learns spoken Sanskritam but also gets trained as a trainer for many of its programs. Samskrita Bharati champions many initiatives to improve contemporary web content in Sanskrit language. One such program is collaborating with Wikimedia Foundation. Wikipedia Academy was started in Bangalore on January 23, 2010. Many seminars are conducted across the country in Sanskrit universities to facilitate Sanskrit scholars to contribute.
Is a quaint little village, Mathur, popularly known as the Sanskrit village. And each house here has a story to tell. A story about how they are clinging to their culture, about the efforts made by them to preserve one of the oldest languages in the world, Sanskrit. Sanskrit is not just a taught language here, but the main language of communication apart from the local dialect, Sanketi. The seed for change was sown in 1982 when the organization Samskrita Bharati got together a 10-day program to teach the villagers spoken Sanskrit.
ग्रामे नगरे समस्तराष्ट्रे रचयेम संस्कृतभवनम् इष्टिकां विना मृत्युं मृत्तिकां विना केवल सम्भाषण विधया संस्कृत सम्भाषण कलया।
नमस्ते, मम नाम शशिधरः।
मम नाम शङ्करदासः।
We both are coming from Tirupur district. We are student volunteers of Samskrit Bharati. In our lives, we have never even dreamt of speaking in Sanskritam. But now, we can talk fluently in Sanskritam.
संस्कृतं वदामि।
என் பேர் உமாபதி. மரமேரி
For generations, plucking coconut was our livelihood. I have learned tailoring from my father. I happened to know about 10 days workshop on Sanskritam. When I took the course, I was impressed and excited about learning this language. Then I encouraged my children to learn this legendary language. Now they are teaching the same. I had a deep aspiration to do something for Sanskrit Bharati. I ended up being a full-time volunteer. I am happy about devoting my entire life for Sanskritam.
என் ஜீவனத்தை சமஸ்கிருதத்துக்காக அர்ப்பணம் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
நமஸ்தே, என்னோட பேரு பிரதீபா. நான்
I am coming from a village called Trividankodu near Takkal of Kanyakumari district. In our society, they don't let the women to be educated. But through Samskrita Bharati, I have learned Sanskritam and now I am doing MA. I am also taking lots of Samskrita classes. I am really happy about this.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு இது பண்றது.
Charaka Samhita talks about diet for pregnant women, talks about a certain quantity of milk. 10 years ago, Cargill University of Canada had done a detailed clinical study and established diet, the principal diet for pregnant women should be milk, and if you take milk, the birth weight would be so much higher, which is an important indicator of the health of a child. This knowledge can be recovered only if the men who are in specific domain like astronomy or medicine also are able to access the original works in Sanskrit, where I think spoken Sanskrit movement will make all the difference, because the spoken Sanskrit will take the language to people who are in various domains.
I find Sanskrit is a very good language because people have to understand that language, that Sanskrit itself has got a lot of contribution from different communities. Like for example, Vasishta's contribution and Valmiki's contribution and Kalidasa's contribution is there. So now when we say this is my language, and I myself, like for example, Joe de Cruz belongs to the coast. I am a fisherman of the coastal area. So I understand this language is very rich and my contribution is also there. My forefathers' contribution is there. I have to identify this. So if we are able to make people understand their own contribution into this language, automatically the language will be with the people. So it is going to be with the people. Today, there is a understanding that this language belongs to one sect of people. It is not. The fact is, the language belongs to everybody, every sect of the country, every sect of Bharat Mata. So the language is always with the people, and it has got contribution from different sections of the people, and that people have to understand their own contribution, their own rich contribution into that. Automatically, then the language will be with the people.
While the teaching of all other languages changed from grammar translation method to direct teaching method, Sanskrit was unfortunately the one language which was not attempted to be taught in that manner. This is where Samskrita Bharati came in the 80s and did a fantastic job in changing the methodology of teaching so as to make it more accessible, more easily understood. Only one small point we'll do here. A child learns a language from its parents in the young age, not by first getting a knowledge of the grammar, but by speaking and understanding, by trial and error, and thereafter at an advanced age, maybe a couple of years after joining the school, it starts learning the grammar of that particular language. So unfortunately, in Sanskrit teaching, grammar preceded everything, and that really put off many people. So it's Sanskrita Bharati which realized this particular mistake and corrected it and began a totally new era of teaching of Sanskrit through Sanskrit, making it more easy to understand and use.
I live my modern lifestyle and everything, but still I'm learning Sanskrit. So you can understand it's not that ancient thing and all. It is of our typical thing. Now it's a trend among the youngsters even to learn Sanskrit. Sarvam asti Samskrita Vangmaye.
Namaste. I am a psychology student. I like Sanskrit because I tend to relate it to my subject. Samskrita Bhasha Bharatasya Nidhi iti aham manye.
It's one among the most cherished and very precious languages that we should and we would love to learn. I love the Sanskrit language. Sanskritam mama priya bhasha.
उस पर एक हमारा सपना था कि 1 लाख लोग संस्कृत बोलना शुरू करें।
जो अपने देश की संस्कृति वो संस्कृत में ही पड़ी हुई है, उसको फिर से जागरूक करने के लिए ये संस्कृत भारती ने जो प्रयत्न किया है, इसीलिए मेरी ओर से और कर्नाटक की ओर से मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
ये पुरानी भाषा है एवं विचारः प्रचलति, परंतु संस्कृतम एतदस्ति एवं संस्कृत का परिचय आजकल कम है। इस कारण से ऐसा एक लोकप्रियता का न्यूनता है। उसके लिए संस्कृत संभाषण के माध्यम व्यवहार में अभी कम है।
जयतु संस्कृतम्।